Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store, then look for Notify Buddy. It's the app that allows us to get custom LED lamp notifications. When the installation is finished, you'll be able to open this app, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions. Last option right here we can skip, so let's do that. And from now we can start using the app. There's 4 different tabs. In user you can pick and enable any apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can do the same thing with all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that we've just activated, and in the settings we can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape or placement on the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.